Hey writers, my name is Brittany Wang and I am an author website designer and also the creator of Author Website Bootcamp. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a speed build of me creating a simple one-page author website that has everything I think you absolutely need to have, that is also mobile friendly with Wix.com, so you can get started today. If you didn't already know, I've also been running a 3-day free workshop on author websites and newsletters through my Instagram accounts, and that has been super fun. Especially with everything going on in the world right now, so many of us are at home more trying to stay sane and productive. So even though I have a course and offer web design services, I really wanted to offer a free and easy way for any writer to get started thinking about, planning, and actually building their author website and presence online. Honestly, I believe online marketing is going to become even more important than it's been for writers and booksellers and really everyone in the world going forward. So now really is the best time to get your author website and newsletter off the ground. Whether you want to set up your future books for success and start growing your readership now, or you have a bunch of books out already, but you want to market them better even more. In my first 2 videos of the workshop, I shared a bunch of author website examples and gave tips on branding and content, as well as a whole webinar all about how to grow your newsletter list. But one of the biggest things I see still keeping authors from actually creating their website and newsletter is feeling like they don't have the technical skills to build a professional, beautiful, functional website. So what I've done is actually created 3 different simple one-page author websites that I think have all the essentials that you will need to get started, that you can publish ASAP, and that you can keep adding more stuff to as time goes on. I show you all the nitty-gritty steps and how to create websites like these and so much more in my course. But I hope that the speed build today shows you 2 things. One, that Wix.com is so easy to use. It's totally drag and drop, no coding necessary. And 2, it'll give you some ideas to get started on your own. And if you try this out yourself and you get overwhelmed or you want to learn a whole lot more, you can always check out the full course, which I'm actually going to give you guys a huge discount, which I'll talk about at the end of this video. Or if you like one of the 3 pre-made websites I showed you, I now have an option on my website where you can simply pick one and I will do all the final steps of customizing your colors, adding your photos and content, and links, so you can have your website up and running ASAP. But without further ado, here is the speed build of one of those pre-made websites. my gosh. And now equipped with this information, you really have three options. Option number one, you can totally go ahead, sign up for a free Wix account today and try making this yourself. And if you do this, please let me know how it goes. I'd love to hear about it and see what you create. Option number two is you can go to the link in the description of this video to simply purchase one of my 3 pre-made websites, which I hope to be adding even more pre-made websites like these in the future, and I will customize it for you. Or option number 3 is if you want all my website tips and strategies, a ton of step-by-step tutorials to create a multi-page website with bonus pages that will super engage your readers, all my newsletter tutorials and tips, along with access to a Facebook group where I give monthly feedback, new ideas, and you can network with other writers, then I want to make it as easy as possible for you to take advantage of my author website bootcamp course by giving you a discount code, which I have linked in the description below. And if you're watching this video after this particular discount is expired, make sure you're following my author website creator account on Instagram, where I'm always giving tips and announcing my sales I'm running first, or you can sign up for my newsletter on my website where I share all these kinds of things as well. Good luck creating your author websites, friends. And if you want even more writerly videos like this one, you can check out one of these 2 videos and we'll see you there.